Social media is a crazy place to be. Dr. Rebecca Malopez's live performance has now been turned into a joke after her signature fall. Meanwhile, Tirelo and her mother-in-law are having the time of their lives, and Uthando Nestembu Uncut episode 3. Hey fam, let's get into this. Dr. Rebecca Malopez is now being trolled for her signature fall, okay? With social media people feeling like it's high time she stops falling, she's not as young as she used to be, so she should take it easy with the falling. Others are even saying she falls like those kids who likes throwing tantrums whenever you say no. Some are even stunned that she's still falling after all these years. She's not evolving, they say. The trauma yalo mama someone added. Meanwhile, Tirelo and her mother-in-law Mayeni attended a wedding together, leaving people feeling like Mayeni does too much with Tirelo. She never treated Vuyokasi this way. She is too nice to Tirelo.
Yawuza umshado wamaZulu ukuthi mnandi kanjani. Ngimkhiphile bantu Tirelo ngizamisa emshadweni wamaZulu. Noma ngashada ngobe ngekhetshele. Kubuka lapho singaba.
Some are even saying that her and Tirelo deserve each other. They are both bullies. They have something in common, hence why they get along. Meanwhile, on episode 3 of Uthando Nestembu, this happened.
Owami umndeni imina nengane zami, then bese kuba khona ubaba yakhe oyi-common denominator la umndeni wakhe eyakhe leyo angangifaki nje mina okwamanje nge-right.
Okay. Whatever you say.
So lawa mamakhosikazi nengane zabo you don't consider them umndeni wakho anymore.
Ingane zababa yakhe sayizingane zami nazo.
Baby, uzizwa kanjani ngesithembu? Ngizizwa ngikhokha isibhamu.
But then the wives?
Amakhosikazi kababa yakhe, amakhosikazi kababa yakhe angikholwa futhi ukuthi khona into engako esikhuluma nawo.
And to think the wives used to talk, sit and giggle together, it's sad that this is where they stand now. When it comes to Musa, I don't know whether to take what he said about his love for Matkele, him taking other wives, but still loving her and would even KILL for her. I don't know whether to take that as him appreciating her and thanking her for standing by him, or it's also him being manipulative, making sure that she continues to endure.
Umatkele azange ngilahla, azange ngiqulise, azange ngithethise, azange ngikhweshine ume nami. Umatkele noma ngingathatha abafazi but ngiyakuthanda. Uyabona?
Yes. You love who? You tell me you want.
Because angifuni udidisa ukuthi ngiyaganwa bese uthi mhlambe le ndoda isangithanda. Ngiyamthanda. And ngingakubulala ngoMatkele.
I really don't know how to feel about what he said there, but let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.